Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is gwyn, white. Gwyn, as in gwyn fel eira, white like snow. Gwyn, white.